spacious rectangular living and the dining area. The kitchen area is much more spacious, and this bedroom is the most spacious room in your house. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jeetal, and today we are here at Vajram Chrysanthemum by Vajram Group, and this project is located right here in Yelahanka, North Bangalore. And today we are here to check out that 3 BHK model flat. Before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. And right now I'm standing in front of the marketing office. So this is our marketing office of the project. We'll be getting all the information and details, and even you can check out the model flat. Now about the land parcel which is exactly in front of me. The main entrance is right over here. So the land parcel starts from here itself. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and this project is spread across 3.3 acre of land parcel consisting of just 4 towers, with each tower of basement, ground plus 4 floors, offering you 3 and 3.5 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project offers you 40 plus world-class amenities like of 14,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, multi-purpose lawn, kids play area, multi-purpose court, herbal garden and many more. Now let's discuss about the location part, and basically this project is located right here in Avalahalli, Yelahanka, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and right now I'm standing on main entrance of our project. So this is the main entrance of our project, and this road over here is Enrich Green Park Township Road, which will connect you towards the Doddaballapura main road. Now about the further connectivity and location part. So you can connect to Yelahanka main road in 1.3 kilometers. BMS Institute of Management and Technology is 1.8 kilometers away, and the big market is 2.2 kilometers away from your location. So now the wait is over, and this is your 3 BHK model flat of 2,341 square feet super built up area. So let's have a look at this beautiful one. Once you enter, here's the 8-feet dooring which comes up with a digital door lock for your security purpose, and once you enter there is no direct living or the dining space. Here they are providing the massive foyer area for your privacy. You can add up your shoe rack space over here as well. So once you step inside, right over the side is your spacious rectangular living and the dining area. First, let's focus upon the living area where you can add up the sofa set, the couches like this, and here's the TV unit space which they have added for your reference. This comes up with a connecting balcony as well. So here's the connecting balcony to your living and the dining area with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, toughened glass railing, and additionally this balcony gives you 2-side open view. This balcony is also much more spacious where you can add up the couches, your bean bag, and even a dining area, small dining area for your breakfast and evening snacks. Now once you step inside, right over the side is your dining area where you can add up a huge dining table and exactly in front of the kitchen area. So here's your kitchen area. The kitchen area is much more spacious with the platforms, cabinets as well, which is the part of the interior, and the utility space is right over this side, which is divided by a tile drop and half wall structure. They will be providing with a sink area right over here as a part of the utility. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose for your kitchen and utility space. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space, and your 2-bedroom is on the back hand side and bedroom number 1 is on the other side of the house. So let's walk towards your bedroom number 1 through your living area. And this is your bedroom number 1. That is the guest bedroom. Let's have a look at this beautiful bedroom. And this bedroom is much more spacious over here. You can have a look with a huge bed space and a perfect bay window. Here they have even added up the TV unit space exactly in front of your bed area. And the best part is the walk-in wardrobe. Yes, this bedroom comes with a walk-in wardrobe. And the dressing area. Attached to washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting. So basically here, the shower glass partition is the part of the interior. Now let's move further towards your next bedroom. So walking through your living and the dining area, you have to take this passage area as well, and on my left hand side is your bedroom number 2. So this is the kids' bedroom. And you can have a look at the space over here. There is ample of space to move around with a huge bed space in the center of the house, a French window for ventilation and lighting purpose. You can add up the TV unit space or else the study table for your kids as well. This side is the wardrobe space, which is the part of the interior basically. Now about the washroom. So once you step outside the room, in the front is the common washroom. Right over here. Comes with anti-skid flooring and sanitary fittings. Now, the master bedroom is just behind me, but before that, let me introduce you all with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with such sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now, let's move further towards your master bedroom. And this is your master bedroom. And this bedroom is the most spacious room in your house with the ample of space. Here's the master bed in the center of the room. The TV unit space, you can even add up the work table, your couches, and the private balcony. It comes with a private balcony. You can have a look with the wooden finishing anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and this balcony is 3-side covered. You can add up a couch, the beanbag, or a swing like this. Now, let's move further to check the rest of the room. And of course, this bedroom also has a walk-in wardrobe. Right over here is the cross window for cross ventilation. Let's have a look with this beautiful walk-in wardrobe and the space. The walk-in wardrobe and the wardrobe, which is part of the interior. Attached washroom right this side. Private washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So now basically let me inform you one thing. Here's a special offer just for you. They are providing semi-interior, which includes wardrobes in all the 3 bedrooms, modular kitchen along with the platforms as well, and there will be glass partition in all the 3 washroom. And this offer is for limited period of time. So if you want to know about this offer, you can visit our website www.housey.com, and lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.